this is San Diego magician Tom Interval. Welcome to another Interval of Magic. I'm back at San Diego State University, a perfect place to learn stuff, including magic. So I hope you enjoy this mental-themed card trick. Okay, a deck of cards, all the faces are different and all the backs are the same. In fact, this is a really cool deck. You might recognize the movie. Do you recognize the movie? These are the Méliès deck, and really cool. So anyway, back on point. So would you help me out? What's your name? Bill, nice to meet you. My name is Tom. Bill, as I do this, as I deal cards one at a time to the table, face up, say stop anytime you wish. Right there. Would you like to stay or go? Go. Say stop. Oh. Is that it? Are you sure? Would you like to stay or go? You'd like to stay. Now, the next card goes face down. Okay? Among all these face-up cards and these face-up cards. So in other words, your card is the only one upside down. And the reason I did that is so your card will be easily identifiable later on. Now, I'm going to cut it once because I don't want to know the exact position of your card. Now, Bill, do you believe that a human being has the power to predict the future? You do? Okay, now I don't, only because there's no scientific evidence that shows that it's possible so far, right? But I'd like to show you what it might look like. Even though if you were to make a prediction, you probably wouldn't predict something as ridiculous as a card. You'd probably be predicting the lottery, but that's another point. So, Bill, you stopped me at a location. Did I influence your selection in any way? Did I stop precisely where you told me to stop? I did. Here's the thing now. Now let's find your card. You have no idea what your card is because you didn't look at it, obviously. But I want to go through and I can find the card. Ah, there it is. The Jack of Clubs. All right. And it's the only card that is face down, or I'm sorry, face up among a face down deck. Now, remember what I said about predicting the future? Before we even began, I wrote down the name of one card. The Jack of Clubs, let's see how close I came. I put it on this paper, it's behind here, and you'll see it says the Jack of Clubs. Okay, welcome to the explanation. This trick is a beginner's level trick, keep that in mind. So it's not super hard to learn. It's more about presentation than anything else. If you have any questions, please email me at tom@intervalmagic.com. Thanks for watching and or listening to this Interval of Magic. If you enjoyed it and want to see more like it, along with a variety of other great magic-related content, please help support my work by becoming a Patreon patron at www.patreon.com/TomInterval. Also, please like and share this, subscribe to my Interval Magic YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, @IntervalMagic. Until then, may your intervals be happy, peaceful, and magical.